Hello friends, welcome to Sweden with Tripti. I hope you are doing fine and I'm good too. So if you are planning to move to Sweden to live with your life partner in Sweden, this video is for you. Because in this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know about applying for a visa. Or I can say to get a residence permit to live in Sweden with your life partner. So without any further delay, let's begin today's video. So visa for partner, we call it spouse visa. But the question is, who can apply for spouse visa? Answer is very simple. If you are married or registered partner and you are living at least 6 months together out of Sweden, or you are planning to get married or living together in Sweden. So these are the scenarios in which you can apply for spouse visa. So next question is, what sort of documents we need to apply for spouse visa? If you're married, so the documents are very simple. The very first thing is you're supposed to have a valid passport, proof for relation, so you can show your marriage certificate and proof of accommodation in Sweden. For example, if your partner is already living in Sweden, he or she must be living in a place. So you need to show the proof of address and proof of financial support. Your husband or wife is supposed to share their financial statement, for example pay slip, for at least 3 months, so that they can assure that okay, you have a financial support, your husband or wife can support you financially while you are staying there. So these are very basic documents you are required to submit there. And now we have a different scenario where you are not married but you are planning to get married. For example, you are engaged and you are not married yet but you are moving there or planning to get married in Sweden. So for that you need all those documents except the marriage certificate. You can't have marriage certificate, right? So to give a proof of relationship, you can share, for example, your engagement pictures, engagement cards, that sort of thing. If you don't have engagement, so you need to share some sort of documents which shows that you both have a relation. Maybe while you were living in another country, in your home country, that time you were sharing same apartment, which shows name of both partners. So that sort of document which will ensure that you both have a relation. So if you are married, it is very simple. You need to show a marriage certificate for a proof of relation. Living together in your home country, there must be some sort of document which ensure that you both were living together, you both were in a relation. So these sort of documents you are supposed to share, that will ensure that you both are in a relation. And apart from that, of course, you need a valid passport. You need to show proof of financial support, proof of address. So these are the documents you are supposed to have with you while you are applying for spouse visa. So once you have all the documents, next step is you are supposed to apply for the application. So how to do that? Very simple. You need to go to migration agency. There you are supposed to register yourself, create an account, fill the form, upload all the documents whatever you have, and book an appointment, and you need to pay an application fee. So after applying that, you will be invited for the interview at embassy in your home country. Then you are supposed to attend that interview, be on time there, and you are supposed to bring all your original documents with you. There they will, go through all your documents and go through all the information. So they can ask you few questions. Where are you going? What is the purpose? All those basic questions. So you need to be honest and give clear answers. And the question is, what's the processing time? But for that, I would say it takes few months. So I know so many friends who are, quite stressed about it because their life partners, they are in their home country and they are not able to come here because the processing time was too long. So make sure you will apply as soon as possible. So if you are planning to come to Sweden with your partner, it's great if you both are coming together. Your processing time will be fast. But in case you are coming after few months and you can't come immediately with your partner and you are supposed to come after few months, so make sure apply for that as soon as possible because processing time can be long. So I would say be patient if you have applied. So you are supposed to wait. No need to panic. Like if it is taking like 1 month, 2 months, so no need to panic. You just need to make sure that apply as soon as possible. Apart from that, there is one thing, like if there is a kid with you as well, so in that case you are supposed to apply for visa for your kid as well. And it requires all the documents, similar documents, except of course your relation proof. For that you need to share birth certificate of kid and all other remaining documents. I believe I have answered all the questions. If you have any more questions, please free to ask. And thank you so much guys for watching this video, and bye bye.